Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can add videos on Tinder. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user interface will look somewhat like this. Now from the appear section, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and tap on the Tinder profile icon, which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now you will be brought up with the profile section of yours. And here you can see the pencil icon near your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you will be able to see all the pictures that you have uploaded to your Tinder. Now what you can do is go ahead and tap on that plus icon. So once you tap on it, you'll be brought up with three options, which is photo loop and camera. So go ahead and tap on upload loop. Now go ahead and select any videos that you like to add. And once it's done, go ahead and tap on done and save the changes. So this is how easily you can add videos on Tinder. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.